A very good morning, students. Today we will study significant figure. Question is define significant figure. Significant figure means in math terms when you write 273. So they all are significant figures. Suppose I am writing 273 number 273. So it has three significant figure 2, 7 and 3. Now next question. Rules for determining the number of significant figure. What are the rules to determine the number of significant figure? So all the non-zero digits are significant. Suppose I am writing 13.75. So it has four significant digits 1, 3, 7, 5 because all they are non-zero. Okay. Next rule is all non-zero between two non-zero. All zeros between non-zero digit means if there is a non-zero digit and in between there are zero digits, so they also become the significant figure. Means it has five significant figure 1 0 0 0 5. Okay. Next rule is all zeros to the right of a non-zero digit. Okay. All zeros to the right of a non-zero digit are significant. Suppose but to the left of an understand decimal are not significant. Means if I am writing 86400, so it has 00. It has 00 at the right side, so they are not significant. So it has only three significant figures. Okay, you looks it's offered bad how 00 is not they are not significant figure, but this is a rule. If I am writing 86400, then it is 00. They are non significant, they are not counted in significant figure. But if I am writing 7 here, so 0 comes between two non-zero digits, so they both zero become significant, but at the right time they are not significant figure because they are ended with non-zero digit. Okay. Next. Okay, there is a confusion between why they are not significant figure. But when we do the measurement, suppose I am measuring time, measuring length, and if I am adding some unit, then it becomes significant. Means if 86400 second is the measurement of a time, so then these zeros become significant figure. So now it have five significant figures. Okay. Next and very interesting, if any decimal comes, if any decimal point comes, then left to this zero are significant. Okay, they are left to this decimal point, so they all are significant figure including 0. So it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 significant figure. Okay. Next we have zeros to the right of decimal point are significant. Means if I am writing simply 161, then it has three significant digits. If I am writing 0.0, so it also becomes the significant. So 0 to the right of the decimal point is also significant. If I am writing here 161.00, then it also becomes significant. Means how this possible? See carefully. 161, 161.0 and 161.00 all have same values, but there are difference in significant figures. Suppose it has three significant figure, it has 4, it has 5 significant figure. These are the rules. Okay, I know this is look differently how one number can vary in significant figure in writing terms, but this is possible. Now one more rule is there. If I am writing 0, if I am writing 0 to the left to the decimal point, and here if I am writing 0 to the right of decimal point, so they are not significant. If I am writing 0 to the left and 0 to the right of the decimal point, then they are not significant figure. Means 161, this number and this number, they both have three significant digits. We have not included 0 in these numbers. Okay. Next we have significant figure doesn't depend on the system of units means 6.4, 0.164 and 0.0164 kilometer, all they have three significant figures. How? According to rule, 0 to the left of the decimal point is not significant, 0 to the right of the decimal point is not significant, and 16.4 they also have three significant figures. So they don't depend on the kilometer, meter and centimeter. They only depend on the whatever we follow the rules. Now what do you mean by rounding off? If I am writing 5.27, then what is the rule for rounding? If I am emitting the 7 word, then what happen? If this number is greater than 5, then we remove this number, okay? And we remove this number and add 1 to this digit. Suppose I am right 5.3 because I am removing the 7. If here is a 4, here is a 4, then what will happen? If I am removing the 4, then no need to change the 2 digit, it's 5.2. So there are rules. If the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, then the proceeding the digit is left unchanged. If digit is less than 5, suppose 5.29, 5.24, then if it is less than 5, the digit would not be changed. If digit is greater than 5, then digit is increased by 1. If here is 9, then digit, if we remove the 9, then it increased by 1. If digit is dropped to 5, then what happen? If 5 has come, suppose 5.25, then what will happen to this digit? If we drop the 5, then if it is on, if it is even, then it is remain same. But if it is odd, then it is increased by 1. Okay, in terms of even we don't change, in terms of odd we change, increase by 1. So these are the rules for rounding off, and we also have done the rules for determining the number of significant figure.